In this video, I will demonstrate how to remove a customer from an existing order. As an example, let's use order 1019. In my case, you can see the order is associated with the customer Nick, who has 9 orders in total. The shipping details are for Victor, but the order is under Nick. To remove the customer from the order, simply go to the customer section, click on the 3 dots, and select Remove Customer. Once you confirm, the order will no longer be tied to that customer. Now, let's go back to the orders. As you can see, order 1019 no longer has a customer assigned. You can leave it like this, or you can assign or create another customer in Shopify. Let's open the order again. Click on the search field in the customer section. Since there is no customer named Victor, let's create one. Click on Create New Customer. To create a customer in Shopify, you only need a first name, last name, or an email. For simplicity, let's just enter Victor, leave the email blank, and save the customer. Now, the new customer is created and associated with this order. Let's check how it looks in the orders section. As you can see, order 1019 is now associated with Victor M. The same customer has also been added to the customer section. I hope you found this tip useful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.